Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. Wait, I'm going to click on new project option, and then we can choose a video we want to edit. For the first video, I'm going to add, for example, this one, and I'm going to add green screen video to this project. I'm going to go to the overlay and then select add overlay, and I'm going to add green screen video. I'm going to go to my download folder, and let's see what we have here. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this one, guys. This billboard green screen, and I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay, I'm going to put my video on this billboard, so I'm going to remove the green screen from this billboard. Okay, if we want to do that, we can tap on our video. We want to remove the green screen from, and now the video has been selected, and we can go to the chroma key feature. To get the chroma key feature, you can go to the remove background menu, and here you can choose chroma key, and then you can place this color picker on the green screen like this, and then adjust the intensity. I'm going to make it 100. I'm going to make it for about 70 or 60. Okay, and then we can adjust the shadow. All right, and I'm going to click on the check mark. Then we just need to adjust our video. Wait, I'm going to make it smaller like this. Oops. Okay, just like this. All right, now it's done. And as you can see, guys, that the green screen has been removed from my video, and I have replaced it with this video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove green screen on Capcut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.